Just a few clicks and you can start reviewing images from anywhere in the world. For the first time, you can make money reviewing images. Easily make money by reviewing images. Start earning $3,200 per month with very simple tasks and get paid per image. In this video, I'll show how to earn extra money by reviewing images online. You don't need any skill or experience to do this. Just a computer and the internet. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Who doesn't want to make money online? Simple. You can join this platform and start earning by reviewing images in just a few minutes. It is called modsquad.com. ModSquad is a global provider of managed digital engagement services, chat with customers, moderate web content, manage communities, and buzz in social media for many of the world's coolest brands, including the NFL, Sony, Zendesk, and Tops. It is available in 50+ languages in 50+ countries. You might be helping a customer over the phone or responding to a technical request using help desk software. You might be scanning text, reviewing images, or monitoring video. You might be playing testing games or being a company's eyes and ears on social media. You could be working for your favorite retailer, a nonprofit, or a social network. You can work from any location that is private, secure, and noiseless. Most mods work from a home office. All you need is a computer, a laptop or desktop, reasonably fast and reliable internet connection, and a mobile phone for two-factor authentication. Getting started is so easy. First, you need to apply. Grab your resume and apply. Next, you'll fill out a profile so recruiters can get to know you. They'll ask you stuff like what you do for fun, about your hobbies and interests, and what languages you speak. Once you submit that form, you'll receive an email acknowledging receipt, usually within 72 hours. Once on a project, you'll receive a monthly schedule of open times and you'll have the chance to select the ones that work best for you. You manage your own business, you can offer your services to as many other clients as you like, and they encourage you to do so. The average ModSquad salary ranges from approximately $15,000 per year for a customer service representative, to $141,284 per year for a director. Average ModSquad hourly pay ranges from approximately $11.12 per hour to $20 per hour. Also, they have competitive benefits. Perks and benefits for U.S. employees include medical coverage and unlimited vacation. Benefits for international employees are similar but vary by region. Now, if you like to make big money as a core and long-term income source, make sure to check the links in the description. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.